Yo. Let's work on it. I just want to say before we start, if you watched the previous video, Affected Theorem, all of it, yeah, you won't struggle with this. In fact, this will just be pop and milk for you. Way too easy. So you know the first thing first, we have to find the factors, not the factors, but the factor. So plus x squared minus 16 x minus 16, right? Cool. So now we put in different values. Let's start with 1. In fact, let's start with the negative values this side. Maybe positive is good. Uh, yeah, stay positive, fellas. So we have 1 is not working. 2, 3, all right, 3 doesn't work. Yeah, after this, if 4 doesn't work, I'm changing. And by the way, imagine if you had to write all of these things down, like you'd write this equation and write where you substituted the 1, where you substituted the 2 and 3 and 4. That's, oh, by the way, 4 works. Yeah, that would be like a waste of time, I think. Personally, I would, yeah, that would be a waste of time. Yeah, so perhaps you can show only write for 4. Yeah, well, like here, then after you saw that, you'll be like 4 plus 4 minus 16, 4 minus 16 equals to 0. And then you say therefore x equals to 4, right? And then you're also saying therefore x minus 4 is a factor, right? Yeah, that's the only thing you can write. And then as for these ones that don't work, bro, you'll be wasting your time. So yeah, then you have x minus 4, you're factorizing, you're dividing now. So we're gonna use long division. I prefer long division than synthetic method, right? Let's do the work here. X squared, x to the power of 3 minus 4 x squared. Now I'm subtracting. This is 0, this is, so I have x minus minus. This minus minus makes it positive, so that is 5x squared. I bring down the rest, 16x minus 16. Then divide, I have a plus 5. So 5x squared minus 20x. I'm subtracting, I have 0, I have, this will be 4x, a positive 4. Bring down 16, you have plus 4x minus 16. This is 0 when you subtract, right? So confirming also what we did say, that x minus 4 has to be a factor. So now this is equals to 0, then you would say therefore x minus 4 into x squared plus 5x plus 4, right, equals to 0. And I want to say, you guys know how to factorize quadratic equations, right? For example, for this one, you have your 2 brackets, you're going to have x, you're going to have x, 2 numbers you multiply, you get 4, you add or subtract, you get 5, that is positive 4 and the positive 1, and then you have x minus 4, right, equals to 0. Then here you would say x minus 4 equals 0, or x plus 4 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. So therefore you have x minus 1, x minus 4, then x equals to 4, right? So just like that, you have solved this thing, you see. Yeah, let's go for the next problem. for this one, cool, plus 2 minus 19. Cool. For this one, let's go 1, not working, 2, 3, 2. We're still on 2, so 2 is not working. To go 3. Alright, 3 doesn't work. After 4, I'm going back to I'm going to the negatives. This thing, it works. So 4 works. So I have yeah, you can do right. Therefore y minus 4 is a factor. Right, so here then you start dividing your law. It's your long division now. You have y squared, you multiply y 3 minus y minus 4y squared. We are subtracting, that is 0. This, the negative makes positive, so you have positive 4, so 4 plus 2, that is 6. You have 6y. We bring down the rest. We divide, you have plus 6y, multiply 6y squared minus 6 and 4, that is 24y. So minus, you get 0 here. Here this is positive, so so it's like 24 minus 19, which is 5. So you have 5y minus 20. Then you have plus 5, multiply, you have 5y minus 20, which is 0, right, when you subtract. So we are fine, we're good. And then you write y to the power of 3 2y squared minus 19y, right, equals to 0. Therefore, right, therefore what? Therefore y minus 4, right, into y squared plus 6y plus 5. It's this number here, our quotient. Then to factorize this, of course, you have your 2 brackets. 2 numbers you multiply, you get 5. You add or subtract, you get 6. That is plus 5x plus 1, right? And then this side you're gonna have y minus, right, equals to 0. Cool. And then from here, you know, of course, y is gonna be 4, or y is gonna be minus 5, or y is gonna be minus 1. And the thing is, had we started with the negatives, we would have not went up to 4 because of this, you see. So yeah.